Okay guys, this is the first step in doing our mini baseball bat, is doing the glue up. There's several different parts to the glue up that you have to be aware of. These two poplar pieces, right here and right here, these are what I call outriggers. They're basically to give you something to clamp onto on the spoil board. Then you have our walnut pieces. They're on the outside, and then we have our maple core. Now, the pieces, the maple core is 1 inch by 1 inch. The side pieces here are 1 inch by 1/2 inch. These longer, or these wider side pieces, are 2 by 1/2 inch, 21 inches. Everything equals 21 inches long. So now we're ready to start our glue up. And we'll start our glue up with our core. What we're going to do is we're going to put our core together first. So we need to glue up our core pieces. And we'll just apply a little glue to it. Spread it out a little bit. And put them together. And this will be one side of the glue up. I'm using these shorter pieces because I had some scrap left over, and what the heck, I might as well use it for the very fact the center part of the bat is all maple anyhow, so it really doesn't matter. Flip it over, repeat. Put a little glue down. Roll it out. Put them together. I usually hold them there for a couple seconds to make sure they tack up. And rinse and repeat. We'll do this side now. Push this over like this, and now we'll do these pieces. Again, throw the glue on it. Roll it out. And install them. And flip it over again and do the other side. Roll it out. and put them down. Okay. Should be pretty well set up. Now we're going to do the sides, and these sides go on like this. And then we're going to sandwich this all together. So, a little bit of glue. Put the side on. A little bit of glue. Put the side on. Now we clamp everything up. Just clamp it up. Make sure your pressure is kind of even all over. And put on as many clamps as you feel is necessary. Just keep on tightening them up. As they always say, you can never have too many clamps. Let it dry. That's about it. Like I said, I use Titebond. Three. I've always had pretty good luck with that. This little roller, really handy. I got that at Woodcraft. So that's all we have. Now we got to wait for this to dry, and then we can punch some holes in it and then start machining it. Thank you for watching, and the next episode is coming up. That will be roughing and finish machining, and also putting a load.